Have you ever wished you could run an entire trading strategy just by talking to an AI? That's exactly what Alpaca is aiming for with their new MCP server update, and today we're breaking down how traders can actually use this technology to potentially make money. The smart way. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI tools, bot automation, and new fintech features, make sure you subscribe. What the MCP server actually does. Alpaca's MCP server acts as a bridge between your AI assistant, like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini, and your brokerage account, meaning you can analyze, manage, and execute trades with natural language commands. But the real money-making potential comes from how you use that connection. Let's break down a few strategies. 1. Build AI-assisted trade scanning. Instead of scanning charts yourself, you can ask the AI to. The MCP server converts your request into an API call into real-time data. This doesn't guarantee profit, but it saves time and shows opportunities you may have missed. 2. Create automated alerts based on your rules. You can automate. AI can notify you instantly, or even prepare trade logic for you. This helps avoid emotional trading and keeps you disciplined. 3. Automate a full trading workflow. This is where the MCP server shines. You can set up entire workflows like scan tech stocks for strong momentum, filter for RSI between 40-60, and alert me if implied volatility is low enough to sell premium. Or, find 3 high-volume breakouts and place them into my paper trading account. This turns your AI assistant into an actual trading partner that works 24/7. 4. AI-assisted options strategies. You can ask, the MCP server instantly formats the data and your AI helps interpret it. This gives you structured insights without deep technical knowledge. 5. Paper trade to refine your strategy. One of the smartest ways to use this system, this helps avoid costly mistakes while you're learning automation. Your turn. Have you tried Alpaca's MCP server yet? Do you trust AI to help you trade, or do you still prefer manual control? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This community learns best when we all share what's working and what's not. Sign up for the Fintech Bot Focus newsletter to stay updated on all things automated trading. The link is in the description. Join our growing community of traders exploring the future of automation. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. None of this is financial advice. Trading involves risk, and automated trading can amplify that risk. Always trade at your own risk and test everything in paper mode first.